Which choice best states the main purpose of the text? The following text is from Betty Smith's 1943 novel, A Tree Grows in Brooklyn. Francie, a young girl, visits the library often. Francie thought that all the books in the world were in that library, and she had a plan about reading all the books in the world. She was reading a book a day in alphabetical order, and not skipping the dry ones. She remembered that the first authors had been Abbott. She had been reading a book a day for a long time now, and she was still in the bees. Already she had read about bees and buffaloes, Bermuda vacations, and Byzantine architecture. For all her enthusiasm, she had to admit that some of the bees had been hard going, but Francie was a reader. So option choice A says, to illustrate Francie's enjoyment of an unusual topic. This is incorrect because although this is true that Francie enjoys reading books, the text doesn't describe the object of reading a book as an unusual topic. So A is incorrect. B. To explain why Francie prefers reading over other activities. This is incorrect because the text doesn't provide or describe other activities that Francie does. It only highlights how she likes reading, that she's determined to read all the books in the library. So B is incorrect. C. To portray Francie's determination to meet a goal. This seems to be the correct answer because the text highlights how there were so many books in the library and that Francie was only in the B's, but like it says here, for all her enthusiasm, she had to admit that some of the B's had been hard going. So it's saying here that has been hard, but Francie was a reader, so she was still working hard. She was determined. So C seems to be the correct answer. D. To describe a book that Francie greatly admires. This is incorrect because the text focuses on multiple books that she's reading, not on one specific book. So D is incorrect, and the correct answer is C.